Welcome back to Radhe Stonex's official channel. Today, we're showcasing the best Italian marbles available right here in Kishangarh. If you're looking to add a touch of elegance and luxury to your space, these marbles are the perfect choice. We have the sophisticated Armani brown marble. This marble features a rich brown base with intricate white and gold veining that exudes class and elegance. It's a favorite for creating a warm and inviting ambiance in any space. Armani brown marble is perfect for luxurious living rooms, office spaces, and hotel lobbies. Its timeless appeal and subtle beauty make it a versatile choice for both modern and traditional designs. Last but certainly not least is the elegant gray polo marble. This marble is characterized by its soft gray tones, complemented by delicate white veining that adds a touch of sophistication to any setting. It's perfect for those who appreciate understated luxury. Gray polo marble is an excellent choice for flooring, countertops, and bathroom walls. Its versatile color and refined texture make it easy to integrate into a variety of interior designs, from minimalist to contemporary. So, there you have it, the best Italian marbles available in Kishangarh: Armani brown and gray polo. Each of these marbles offers something unique. Whether you're looking to make a bold statement, add warmth, or create a serene environment. If you're interested in these stunning marbles or need help selecting the right one for your project, visit us at Radhe Stonex in Kishangarh. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration and expert tips. Thanks for watching.